Picture this: you're rolling down the highway with the ocean on one side, mountains on the other, and you're sitting in something that feels less like a motorhome and more like a rolling billionaire penthouse. That's exactly the vibe of the 2026 Scania Ocean Emperor, and trust me, this thing is straight up next level. Welcome back to Saint Review's Hub, where today we're diving deep into one of the wildest, most jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes money can buy. Buckle up, because this rig is not playing around. From the moment the Scania Ocean Emperor pulls into view, it commands respect. This thing doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. The exterior design is clean, futuristic, and powerful without being loud. You've got a massive Scania front fascia that looks ready to eat up miles all day long, paired with smooth aerodynamic lines that scream premium engineering. The LED lighting setup is slick and modern, wrapping around the body in a way that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Massive side mirrors, integrated cameras, and those bold wheels give it that unstoppable road king attitude. The paint finish is deep, glossy, and rich, like something you'd expect on a high-end yacht, which honestly fits the Ocean Emperor name perfectly. Step inside, and wow, this is where things go absolutely crazy. The cockpit feels more like a luxury aircraft than a truck-based motorhome. You've got a high-tech digital dashboard with crystal-clear displays, premium leather-wrapped steering wheel, and controls that feel solid and expensive. The seats are plush, supportive, and built for long-haul comfort, so even a cross-country drive feels chill instead of exhausting. Everything is positioned just right, and the visibility from the driver's seat is insane, making this massive beast feel surprisingly easy to handle. Move into the main living area, and it's straight-up luxury goals. The space is wide open and flooded with natural light thanks to large panoramic windows. The interior design mixes modern minimalism with rich materials, soft touch surfaces, premium wood accents, and subtle ambient lighting that sets the mood, whether it's day or night. The lounge seating is super comfy, perfect for kicking back after a long drive, or just vibing with friends. This is the kind of place where you could park somewhere scenic and forget about the outside world for days. The kitchen area is where the Ocean Emperor really flexes. You're getting high-end appliances that feel more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. There's a sleek cooktop, a full-size fridge, smart storage everywhere, and countertops that look and feel premium. Everything is laid out for real cooking, not just heating up snacks. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or going all in on a full dinner, this setup has your back. The lighting here is clean and bright, making the whole space feel fresh. And modern dots slide into the bedroom area, and it's pure comfort mode. The bed is large, well padded, and designed for actual rest, not just a quick nap. Surrounding storage is smartly integrated, giving you plenty of space for clothes and gear, without cluttering the room. The overall vibe is calm and relaxing, with soft colors and gentle lighting that make it feel like a luxury hotel suite on wheels. After a long day on the road, this is the kind of space that makes you say, yeah, I could totally live here. Now, let's talk performance, because this Scania isn't just about looking pretty. Under the hood, the Ocean Emperor is powered by a heavy-duty Scania engine that delivers serious muscle. We're talking smooth acceleration, massive torque, and confident cruising, even with all that luxury on board. This motorhome is built for long-distance travel, and it shows. The suspension system is tuned to soak up bumps like a champ, giving you a smooth, stable ride whether you're on highways or rougher roads. Panduling is surprisingly tight for something this big, and Scania's advanced safety tech keeps everything feeling secure and under control. fuel efficiency for a rig this size is solid. Thanks to Scania's smart engine management and aerodynamic design. It's not going to sip fuel like a compact van, but for a luxury powerhouse like this, the balance between performance and efficiency is impressive. Long drives feel effortless, and the engine noise stays low, so the cabin remains quiet and relaxed. Now, let's get real and talk price, because yeah, this thing ain't cheap. The 2026 Scania Ocean Emperor sits firmly in the ultra-luxury category. Depending on customization, features, and regional pricing, you're looking at a price tag that can easily climb into the high six figures and even push into seven figures. But here's the deal, you're not just buying a motorhome. You're buying a lifestyle, a statement, and a level of comfort that very few rigs on the planet can match. For those who want the best of the best and aren't afraid to go big, the Ocean Emperor delivers in a major way. So if you're all about luxury, power, and rolling in something that turns heads everywhere it goes, the 2026 Scania Ocean Emperor is an absolute beast. It blends high-end design, serious performance, and next-level comfort into one insane package. That's gonna wrap it up for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Cint Reviews Hub, and drop a comment telling us what you think about this monster on wheels. Until next time, stay cruising and keep it locked right here.